Hello guys, I am Salman Ashraf, your mentor for SAS programming. So today I am going to tell you how to install SAS Studio and start your coding. So guys, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Google page and type SAS on demand for academics. Then click on the first link. Then click access now. Then click on sign in button. So you can see this page. So first of all, you need to create your SAS profile. So for that, you need to click the last link. Don't have a SAS profile, so click this one. So one page will open. Yeah, so here you need to enter all the required details. So my preferred language is English. Then my first name is Salman. Then Ashraf. Then my email ID 0 India Karnataka. Then check all the details. Then you need to enter this checkbox. Now click on create profiles. So once you click on create profiles, one mail will go to your Gmail box. So let's wait for a second. Yeah, so you can see over here a verification email has been sent to the address you provided. Okay, so you need to verify your email address for activating your profile. So let's open my Gmail. So guys, you can see here I got one mail. So let me open this mail. Yeah, you can see here activate your SAS profile. So let me click. Yeah, so here I need to set my password. So I am setting the password. Password is not matching. Yeah, now my password is set. Now continue. You can see here your profile is active now, so I can continue. My next step is, again I need to open Google page and type SAS on demand for academics. Now I have my user ID and the password. So let me check. 130. So this is the first time I have created my profile. So we need to register. So I belong to Asia Pacific, so I'm clicking Asia Pacific as my region. then submit, then click on yes. Yeah, then okay. Then again I need to click on sign in button and 1308130@gmail.com and my password is so. Guys, you can see here your profile has already been submitted, but processing has not been completed. There is a delay. Okay, so no need to worry, guys. So this is the last step. After this step, again you need to sign in and check. So let me check. So now you need to click on launch button. Guys, my internet speed is very slow, that's why it is taking so much time. So let's wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see here, this is the SAS Studio page. So you can see, so here you can write your SAS program like this. And press F3. So you can see, guys, our studio is ready and we can code. So guys, hope you like this video, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and do likes and comment. Thank you everyone.